Hello students, so now we are going to study about the digestive system of our body. So in last video we had learned about the nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and this is the digestive system of our body. Okay, so students, let's see about the digestive system. So the digestive system consists of the mouth, food pipe, then stomach, then liver, then pancreas, large intestine, small intestine. Okay, so these all organs are included in the digestive system. Which are they? First is the mouth, then food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine and the small intestines. So these all organs are included in the digestive system. We take in food through a mouth. Okay, so we take in food. हम food खाना कहाँ से खाते हैं? Mouth से. We take in food with our mouth and then digestion start in our mouth. Okay, digestion is start in our mouth. So student, this digestive system helps to digest the food that we eat. Okay, what is the function or work of the digestive system? It helps to digest our food that we eat, and our digestion or we take in our food from our mouth, and digestion start from the mouth. When we chew food, the mouth adds a digestive juice. It is called saliva. Okay, जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो मुंह के अंदर ऐसे पानी आता है. Okay, in Marathi it is said लाळ. Okay, लाळ, or in English it is said saliva. SALIVA. So when we chew our food in our mouth, then digestive juice is added in that food, that is called saliva. In Marathi it is say लाळ. Okay, saliva to it. So this saliva is added to in that food that we chew. Okay, saliva breaks down starchy food into easily digestible sugar. Okay, then this saliva breaks the food that we eat into very, very small particles. Okay, very small particles. And then that food is passes to this food pipe. Okay, passes to the food pipe. And then after food pipe, the food is passes to the stomach. Food is reach to the stomach. Okay, then stomach, liver and the pancreas and the digestive juice means saliva, which break down the food into the small substances. Okay, so after the mouth, in the mouth food is mixed with the saliva. Saliva break the food into the small pieces or small particles, and then after saliva our food is reaches to the food pipe and then into the stomach, and again stomach, liver and the pancreas again break down the food into the very small substances or very small particles. The breaking down food into simple substance is called digestion. So जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो कैसे बड़े बड़े particles होते हैं. Okay, and when that food mixed with the saliva, so the saliva and then the stomach and then liver and the pancreas, they break that big part of a food into the very small particles. So this process is called digestion. This is called digestion of food. This is called digestion. Okay, then the digested food passes, then after see our food get digest into the stomach, okay, and after digestion the food passes into the, see this is the blue color small intestine, okay, then our food is passes into the small intestine, and where the nutrients are absorbed by the blood. Then blood carries the nutrients to all part of the बॉडी, मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो हमारा डाइजेस्टेड फूड है वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आता है, और जो फूड में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, मिनरल्स, वो क्या होते हैं, वो अगेन दैट न्यूट्रिएंट्स अगेन मिक्स्ड विद द ब्लड, एंड देन blood carries all these carbohydrates, fats, proteins and minerals, and then blood carries all these nutrients and to all parts of the body. okay, तो क्या होता है, यहाँ पे फूड डाइजेस्ट होने के बाद वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आता है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आने के बाद फूड में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं लाइक कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, मिनरल्स, प्रोटीन्स, वो फिर ब्लड में मिक्स होते हैं, और ब्लड क्या करता है, ब्लड फिर से वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स वो फिर से बॉडी के जो पार्ट्स है, अदर पार्ट्स, उनको पास करते हैं, कैरी टू द होल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. ओके, देन द अनडाइजेस्टेड सॉलिड फूड पासेस थ्रू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. सो जो हम फूड खाते हैं उसमें से थोड़ा सा जो फूड होता है वो डाइजेस्ट होता है, तो वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आता है, और जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है दैट गोज इन और पासेस थ्रू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, वो कहाँ पे आता है, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. एंड when it pass through the large intestine, and after that is expelled out of the body through the urns. जो undigested food होता है वो कहाँ से आता है, वो बॉडी के बाहर आता है. ओके, वो बॉडी के बाहर मीन्स जो डाइजेस्टेड फूड हो, जो डाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है वो हमारे बॉडी में रहता है, और जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है वो that comes out from the urns, or it is also called the waste food. Okay, so student, then this is about the digestive system. So digestive system में जो digested food है that will pass through in the large intestine, and undigested food that will come out or expel out of the body through the urns. Okay, तो डाइजेस्टेड फूड हमारे इंटेस्टाइन में, हमारे पेट में रहता है, और अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड कहाँ पे जाता है, हमारे बॉडी के बाहर आता है. मीन्स हम वी आर गोइंग टू द टॉयलेट. ओके, सो दैट टॉयलेट मीन्स व्हाट, दैट इज आवर अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड. ओके, दैट इज आवर अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अबाउट द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. सो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ माउथ, फूड पाइप, स्टमक, liver, pancreas, large intestine and the small intestine. Okay, and what is the function of the digestive system? To digest our food in our body. Okay, so student, again read this all point and complete your homework. Thank you, students.